Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to see Spotify Wrap again. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Spotify application. Now here, you have to launch your Spotify application or open your Spotify. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now all you have to do is to scroll down and you should see this section right here says your wrap is here. You can also go to the search icon in case you can't see that and then type wrap, and you should click this wrap right here below and it should take you directly to your wrap section. And all you have to do is to click this let's go to see your wrap result. So basically that's how easy it is. Now again, if you have missed your Spotify wrap and you want to see it again and you can't see that on your Spotify application, go to your Google Play Store, type Spotify, and if you see an update button right here, all you have to do is to click that one to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Spotify application or your application is up to date. So open again, scroll down, and you should see this your Spotify wrap here, and all you have to do is to click that let's go button to see the result. So basically that's how easy it is to see Spotify wrap again. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.